Welcome back to History in Focus. When the Russian army invaded Ukraine in late February 2022, many believed that the young nation's fate was sealed. But, over a year later, the Ukrainian military stands strong, and the outcome of the conflict remains uncertain. Join me as we explore the incredible journey of the modern Ukrainian military, a fighting force that has surprised both friends and foes alike. In 1991, as the Soviet Union crumbled, Ukraine emerged as one of the newly independent nations in Eastern Europe. Initially equipped with a massive Soviet-era military comprising 6,500 tanks, over 7,000 armored vehicles, a significant air force, and a naval presence, the Ukrainian armed forces were among the largest on the continent. However, sustaining such a force proved impractical, leading to significant reductions and budget cuts. Instead of maintaining an unnecessarily large military, the Ukrainian government invested in developing its national arms industry, producing competitively priced tanks, APCs, and aircraft. By 2003, the military reforms were complete, with the armed forces reduced to about 295,000 personnel. On the geopolitical front, Ukraine pursued closer ties with NATO. By 2004, they approved policies aimed at deepening cooperation with the military alliance through political, economic, and military reforms. President Viktor Yushchenko became the face of pro-Western alignment, pushing for Ukraine's total independence from Russia and NATO membership. The road to NATO membership wasn't easy, considering Ukraine's economic dependence on Russia. Nevertheless, the nation continued maintaining close relations with Russia until 2014 when everything changed. After Russian-backed separatist forces rebelled in the Donbass region and Russia annexed Crimea, Ukraine embarked on a period of military expansion. Facing the possibility of a full-scale Russian invasion, the government invested heavily in the armed forces, leading to a significant increase in personnel and defense budget. These investments resulted in a remarkable influx of new weaponry and equipment. Ukrainian-made arms and equipment, along with support from NATO countries, bolstered the military's capabilities. The Ukrainian army, for example, now employs the TAR-21 and VPR-308, enhancing its long-range and explosive firepower. The Ukrainian Air Force and Navy also received upgrades, focusing on air defense systems and agile patrol boats for rapid hit-and-run attacks. The military structure underwent changes, moving away from mandatory conscription to a professional army. However, the Russian invasion in 2022 caused a temporary shift back to conscription to bolster their forces. Since 2014, Ukraine has adopted trench warfare as a key defensive strategy, holding their ground against Russian forces. While the conflict remains static, the Ukrainian military continues to demonstrate its tenacity and determination. It's truly remarkable to witness the transformation of the Ukrainian military from a relic of its Soviet past into a formidable modern fighting force. Their ties to NATO and the West have played a crucial role, but it's their unwavering spirit and determination that sets them apart. As the conflict continues, we can only wait to see what the future holds for this courageous nation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.